Sewing an elastic waistband might seem intimidating, but don't worry. Once you master this simple skill, you're going to be able to easily finish your skirt and pant projects with confidence. In this video, I'm going to share with you the exact steps I go through with my students, and their projects always turn out beautifully. So let's jump in and see how to sew an elastic waistband. Now, the first step is going to be to fold the top edge of our project towards the inside, and we're going to fold it down about 1 centimeter or ½ inch. Once we've folded it, we're going to iron that all the way around. Step number 2 is we are going to fold the same edge a second time, but this time we're going to fold it down the width of our elastic plus 1 centimeter or ½ inch. Okay, so measure that amount, fold it down, and again iron this all the way around. This is going to be the channel where our elastic is going to live. Now we need to sew around the bottom edge of this channel to hold everything in place. Just make sure that when you're sewing this, you leave about a 2 to 3 centimeter gap at the bottom, so that way we have a place to insert our elastic. Now, once you've sewn all the way around and you have this little gap that we can still insert the elastic, perfect. Then we are going to take our elastic, we're going to wrap it around where we want the top of our project to sit. You don't have to stretch it or anything right now, just gently pull it around yourself. Cut it so you make 1 loop around your body. Then we're going to take a safety pin, put it through one end of the elastic, and then insert the elastic through the channel that you just sewed. Okay, we're about halfway through. Is everything making sense so far? I hope the answer is yes, but if you have any questions, please let me know below. And if you are really dreaming of making your own clothes, but you're struggling with the terminology, your sewing machine is making some weird noises and your stitches never quite look right, or you have no idea how to pick the right fabric for your projects, then you need to know that I have just put together a roadmap to bring you from absolute beginner to actually wearing a piece of clothing you are proud to wear in public in just 6 weeks. So if that would help you out, check out the pinned comment below for all the details. Now let's jump back in and see how to finish this waistband. Now, once the elastic comes back out, once you threaded it all the way through, we are going to take the 2 ends, we're going to overlap them a little bit and then pin them in place. Now's the fun part. You get to actually try your project on and see how the elastic feels. This is the time to tighten the elastic, loosen it a little bit, get to where it feels absolutely perfect for you. Once you're happy with where it is pinned, you're going to cut off the excess elastic, and then we're going to take the ends, we're going to overlap them about ½ inch, 1 centimeter, and we're going to use a zigzag stitch to connect them. Once you've zigzagged all the way down and then back up again, just to make sure everything's holding really well, then we are going to sew the gap closed. That spot, what we left open around the waistband, yeah, we gotta sew it closed now. So you're gonna swap your machine back to straight stitch. Don't forget that. Then you are going to start stitching on top of your previous stitches. Do your lock stitch and stitch all the way along this opening, stopping again on top of your previous stitches. And once you've done that, you have created an absolutely beautiful waistband. But I want to leave you with another trick here. Because we have inserted the elastic, it's not actually sewn to anything just yet. So it might twist inside of your waistband. To stop this from happening, because it's so annoying, what you can do is actually sew vertically up and down a straight stitch through the elastic at both sides and center front and center back of your project. Because this is a gathered waistband, you'll never see those stitches and your elastic is never gonna roll on you. Okay? So I hope all that made sense. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And if you would like to start sewing clothes you love in just 6 weeks, again, check out the pinned comment. Until the next one, happy sewing!